Today we've got a Christmas craft session with our friends later on, which we're both really excited for, aren't we? See? And it's actually bonfire night, bonfire day, bonfire night tonight. There's a local little bonfire around where we live, so if your dad gets home from work on time, we might just walk down to that for a little bit. Shall we play some Christmas music to get us ready for our clash? A lot for Christmas. Now it's been Halloween, we're in Christmas mode, aren't we? Mwah. Before I do a food shop, I like to plan our weekly meals in advance. So I really like this book and this book. I get loads of ideas from them. So I'm going to have a flick through, write my shopping list, and then we're going to go. Successful transfer. Oh. Why do you keep looking at me and smiling? Do you like that lunch? Yeah.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Should we go make some tea? Somebody like Mummy's spaghetti bolognese? Yeah.
Who's gonna have his bag ball?
It's a bear going to the bonfire.